Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to fix the Wells Fargo mobile deposit error quickly and efficiently without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever encountered the Wells Fargo mobile deposit error, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you need to deposit a check urgently. The good news is that most of these errors can be fixed with just a few simple steps. Let's dive into the process together. We'll walk through each step carefully so you can resolve this issue and get back to banking smoothly. Step 1. Start by checking your mobile app version. An outdated Wells Fargo app can often trigger deposit errors. Head to your device's app store and see if there is an update available. If there is, update the app to its latest version. Restarting the app after an update often helps clear glitches. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection may cause the app to fail during the deposit process. Ensure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have strong cellular data. If you suspect your connection is slow, try switching networks or move to a place with better reception. Step 3. Confirm the deposit limits and account status. Each Wells Fargo account has specific deposit limits, which if exceeded can cause errors. Also check that your account is active and in good standing. Any holds or restrictions might be the reason deposits do not go through. Log into your online banking or call customer service if you are unsure about your account status. Step 4. Ensure the check image is clear and meets guidelines. When taking the photo of your check, make sure it's on a flat surface with good lighting. Avoid shadows or glare that make details hard to read. Fill the entire frame with the check and keep the edges in view. Double-check the front and back images, including your endorsement on the back. Step 5. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app. If the app continues to cause errors, clearing the cache can remove corrupted files. Alternatively, uninstall and then reinstall the Wells Fargo app. This can reset the app and fix any internal bugs. Step 6. Contact Wells Fargo support if all else fails. If none of the previous steps resolves the issue, it's time to reach out to customer support. They can provide specific insights related to your account or technical problems. Use the app's help feature, call the Wells Fargo hotline, or visit a branch for in-person assistance. This step ensures you get tailored help to secure your deposit success. Following these steps methodically should help you fix the Wells Fargo mobile deposit error quickly and get your banking done seamlessly every time. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your app updated and photos clear to avoid common errors.